Powertrain is one of our most state-of-the-art crawlers that we have for complex pipe geometry inspection. The improvements that we've done on Powertrain from the last version was something that was possible because of all of the learnings we had over the years. We've got mechanical engineering down to a T, so we could optimize the geometry of the crawler and fit a lot more technology in there. We've added electronic expansion. So earlier it was manual where you had to crank it using a tool, but now it's fully electronic, it's controlled within the software. The improvements that we've done on Powertrain from the last version was something that was possible because of all of the learnings we had over the years, the improvements in our technology, so we could optimize the geometry of the crawler and fit a lot more technology in there. So we've got expansion motors, we've got 6 different motors. We have springs to take compliance. We've got an expansion assembly, so every single wheel on Powertrain is driven. And then we've also got the smarts where we've integrated control for all of these motors, so we can drive all of them individually. So the Powertrain is designed to do a 180mm diameter pipe, which is really small, and it can tackle 1.5D radiuses. So a 3D radius is normal in the industry, but 1.5D radius makes it a very sharp bend.